Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product variations with Shopify CSV export best practices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the products section from the left-hand menu. Once in the products section, locate the export button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the export button to open the export options. Select all products if you want to backup everything, or choose specific products as needed. Choose the format for your export file. Select CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs for compatibility. Click on the Export Products button to download your CSV file. Locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer. Open the file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. In the spreadsheet, you will see a variety of columns representing product details. To focus on product variations, look for columns labeled Option 1 Name, Option 1 Value, and any additional option columns. Ensure each variation is clearly listed under the corresponding product by checking the rows. Consider adding a notes column to keep track of any custom attributes or changes. After verifying that all product variations are accurately represented, save your updated file. If using Google Sheets, export it back to CSV format by selecting File, then Download, and choosing comma-separated values. Remember to keep this file in a safe location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.